So I'm Katie Doyle. I'm a second-year student in the IMA program. I work in digital storytelling, and the reason I'm doing the program at Hunter is to incorporate more new media channels into the work that I'm doing. My interactive installation is called Assemble. It's a project based on composing an outfit. So participants are going to walk into a room. It's kind of like a walk-in closet. Each item has their own story, and participants will learn the story behind the item and the people who have a relationship with it. And at the end, they'll see how they fit into the pieces of the puzzle that they've chosen. The basic idea behind it is to have people examine their relationships with clothes and their relationships with other people and how we transfer those day to day. I want people to come in and experience the joy of being able to use touch and use sight and sound in a piece of art that they haven't experienced before. So I hope that each experience is unique and that each participant can think about stories in everyday life.